first one says Max earns £220 per week. He's given an increase of 10%. What is his new salary? So since he's been given an increase of 10%, we find 110% of 220. So that is going to give us £242. Alternative method was that you find 10% of 220 and then add that to 220. So that's also going to be 22 plus 220, which is £242. Both ways are correct. Then it says there are twice as many boys studying French than girls. The total number of students is 50. Find the missing numbers. So there are twice as many boys studying French than girls. So if there are 14 boys studying French, then we're going to have 7 girls studying French. Then for German, we're going to do 50 minus 14 minus 7 minus 8, which is going to leave us with 21. So 21 boys study German. Next question says, if 15 times 34 equals to 510, use that information to work out 150 times 34. So since we're adding a 0 with 15, that means we're timesing this by 10. So that's going to give us 5100. Over here, 15 is becoming 30, which means we're multiplying 15 by 2. So now we do 510 times 2, which is going to give us 1020. Now lastly, it's 1.5 times 34, which means we're dividing 15 by 10. So that's going to leave us with 51. That's how you calculate these calculations based on the given one. Next question says, draw the plan view of this figure. So that's going to be 2 by 3 like this. And this line represents this part over here. So that's your plan view. Then it says simplify 7w minus 2w. So that's simply going to be 5w. If, let's say, it was 7w minus 2w squared, then the simplification would be w bracket 7 minus 2w. You can't subtract them because with 7w, w has the power of 1. And in 2w squared, w has a power of 2. So you can't add or subtract same variables if they have different degree of powers. For you to add or subtract variables which are the same, you need to have the same degree of power as well. Then the next one, it says, simplify 7h plus 5k plus h minus 3k. So 7h and h are big terms. So 7h plus h. And 5k and 3k are like terms. So plus 5k minus 3k. That's going to give us 8h plus 2k. That is your answer.